Hello everyone, Handy Builder in Canberra, Australia here, and thank you for watching. I have been using Windows for years. At the age of 59, I'm switching to Linux. I still have a Windows 7 here, which I'll probably be using it for another few years, I hope. I have a few old XP machines in the garage, and I have took them out and installed Linux on it. It all works quite well. I'm going to show you what it looks like now. I'm using a program for remote desktop viewer. I can connect it to Windows or Linux. So this is my Windows 7 machine. I am now going to connect it to a Lubuntu, LU Lubuntu. This is a Lubuntu 18.04. Comes with 32 or 64-bit operating system. This is not what it looks like when you first boot. I actually customize it so that it's more Windows user friendly. Start button. So this setup is very close to a Windows 7 setup. I'm going to show you what the system is. This is a Pentium 4 2.4 GHz. A single core, single thread. These are all the apps that I put on the favorite bar. Explorer. I double click on it. I think I'd open it twice. I did. Get used to double clicking on window. I'm just going to do a quick search. Let's see how fast it is. It's not a bit laggy. It's not too bad, especially when I remotely connect to it. These are the program that I'm using. This is the remote desktop viewer. This is called Gigolo, which is a remote file connection system. I will show you how the Gigolo works later. Terminal, file system, double click it again. This is a Gigolo connection which connects to my Windows 7 machine. The Windows machine that you saw just now. Yeah, so I can grab file from the Windows machine easily. Yeah, pretty good. Not too bad for Pentium 4. Just remember, all Linux are free. You can donate to the developers because they are the ones who make this possible. They are free though. Alright, we're moving on to the next operating system. I'm going to close this. Close the window one too. Alright, this is a Linux Mint. This is very customizable. Same thing. You do not boot up first boot coming out like that. I have customized it again. So I change all these icons. So it's very customizable. I'll show you what the operating system is. I mean the specification is. This Linux Mint comes with 32 and 64-bit operating system too. This is a 1.66 GHz, 1 core, 2 thread. Linux Mint 19.1 Tessa. Tessa is actually, they also call it XFCE. There are two others, 19.1, which is Cinnamon and Mate or Mate, whatever you call it. but I like this one better. Now this is a 32-bit operating system. This setup is again very much like Windows 7. Yeah, I like this start menu. I hope that I can put this start menu on Ubuntu. Alright, this is a second operating system. I'm not going to shut down this. So I'm going to close this connection, close this window. Now this is the operating system that I'm using now. This is Ubuntu 18.04. This only comes with 64-bit. Alright. Again, when you first boot, this is not what it looks like. I customize it again to be more Windows user friendly. Yeah. This PC is only 5 years old. And I had Windows 10 on it, but it was playing up all the time. So after I tried the other operating system, like the Linux Mint and Ubuntu, I thought if I can install a 64-bit into this machine, it should work well. So I did. This is a i7, Intel i7, and it really works well. I like it very much. I'm just going to show you how fast Internet Explorer, not Internet Explorer, Chromium, open up. See how fast it is? Word, it's opened up really fast, faster than Windows. Yeah. So I'm very happy with this Ubuntu 64-bit on my laptop. So I still got a lot to learn yet. Probably got a couple of years, I guess. But that's it for today. I hope it helped you decide if you want to go this way, because when you notice that Microsoft is no longer supporting Windows 7, you might have to think of another alternative. Thank you for watching.